Guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This video is on the Secretland 6-inch folding mattress from Amazon. It comes in this box. It comes all rolled up and you lay it out flat, and that's what it looks like after about 8 hours of being rolled out. This thing is actually about 6 inches. A little bit short, but close enough. And basically you can fold it up like that, and it's really perfect for guests if you have guests sleeping over. They had like a couch option for it, but I don't see me using it as a couch. It's a pretty nice foam. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Kind of feels like my Zenith mattress. And I think my kids' friends, when they sleep over, it's gonna have a better time on it than on the floor with a blanket. And feels pretty good. Put an Amazon link on the description. I think this one was $169, and that's what it looks like right there. When you unfurl it, try to get all the corners to be even with the foam, so that you're gonna get a fuller I don't know what to call it, expansion. But that's what it looks like, in case you guys were wondering. And then it does fold, and this is the full size. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.